Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to set the theme on the DrawNote application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's the home screen. Go to the lower bar and click to the My option at the lower right corner of the home screen. Click the settings icon at the upper right corner, and you can find the first button, the dark mode and theme, and you can find the normal mode, the dark mode, the follow system option, and you can find different theme color. Actually, I use the blue, but if you want to use another color, you can buy the pro membership. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.